So it's kind of loud here. Lighting's kind of bad. It's early in the morning. We're getting ready to start our trip to California to go see family. It's going to be about almost 1,500 miles with the route I'm taking. I'm not going interstate all the way. So our first stop is going to be Sweetwater, Texas. We'll stop there for gas and take some back roads once we get to Sweetwater, all the way to San Diego, California. We're going to set the B trip mirror. Here's the A. I'm going to just reset that one completely. And then we're going to go to B. We're going to reset B. B is going to be the one I'm going to try not to mess up on and reset during the entire trip out there and back. It should be, oh gosh, around 3,200 miles, I'm thinking. Because coming home, I want to take even some different roads. There's supposedly some great riding in Arizona. I looked up for motorcycles, you know, like what are good motorcycle routes, and came up with a couple of them that I'm going to take and just enjoy the ride home. It's going to take longer to get home than it is going there. I'm planning on doing about 450 miles a day on average to get to San Diego, and then I'm planning 5 days to get home. So we'll see how that goes. So we stopped in Abilene. Just need to take a quick break. Saw a guy here on a bike. Talked to him for a while. Real nice guy. Tried to get him to come to California with me. He wouldn't go. Got kind of cool out there, man. And one time it got down like 63 degrees. And yeah, man, I wasn't really prepared for that. A little cool with the wind chill, but it's nice now. It's warming up. It's up to about 72. I mean, it's like perfect frickin' riding weather. There was one time where there was a lot of fog out in the fields. Looked like, you know, like the Hound of the Baskervilles. I could see, you know, some demon dogs coming out of the fog at me and everything. But, you know, that was pretty awesome looking. Couldn't really get it on video. I didn't have time to grab my camera before I got out of it. But anyway, next we're going to Sweetwater. I was going to stop in Sweetwater for gas. But, man, cruising 85. That 114 sucks down the gasoline, man. So I went ahead and it was 50 miles or 51 miles to get to Sweetwater. My gauge was showing I could go 61 miles. So I was like, I'll just fill up here while I'm at it. And, you know, take a break, drink some water, stay hydrated. So anyway, we'll hit I-20. We're taking the interstate to get to Sweetwater before we start, you know, before we get off the interstate and really get into some beautiful back roads. Really not a lot to video at this point, you know, just interstate. But we'll get more as we go on. Wind turbines. It's pretty cool, you know, with the trains in front of it. We're on 84 going north towards Lubbock, Schneider. All these farmers' fields, man, they just built all these wind turbines. I guess it's pretty cool for the farmer. You probably get some royalties off the wind turbines and gets to farm. Post Texas. We'll probably stop here for a break, gas up again. You can definitely smell the gas out here, probably natural gas, and all the pumps here. We came out of the wind turbine fields where it was no smell, and now we're into the old drilling, and there's plenty of smell. All right, guys, so we're 271 miles into this today. It's I think 450 to where we're going to Roswell. It's 10:30, so it's not too bad. We're making good time. Left the house about 6:30 this morning. So it's good. We're getting some good miles on the bike, especially since, you know, I just did the 1,000-mile service, in case you're wondering. Did that, and there will be videos on that too coming out. So anyway, we're in Post Texas, and you can smell the gas, as I told you about a little while ago. When I stopped to get a picture of that sign, it is really strong. It makes you wonder, you know, people get, you know, like cancer and stuff living in, you know, places where they smell this all the time. it's been interesting because you can really see the the industrial part of the country, the gas production, the energy production, of the wind turbines and the gas drilling and oil drilling. I mean, we've been through here before, actually. My wife and I, Margaret and I, came through here on the bikes, a long time ago when we went to Utah and Colorado and New Mexico. And we've been through here in our Jeep too. But just a different perspective. It's amazing how you can go to some of the same roads and, experience different things in your head on the way. Found this cool little setup here in Brownfield, Texas. So we're at the state line, New Mexico, and Texas is that way. So pretty excited about that. Roswell is about 100 miles away. That's our next stop. It's actually a stop for the day. So we're in Roswell, New Mexico. This was our destination for the first day, was to come here and sleep with the extraterrestrials, I guess you could say. So we put in 454 and a half miles today. Good day of riding, really. Just cool. Never got to be over, my goodness, probably 85 degrees at the most. It's hot. It's the hottest right now in the afternoon. So yeah, it's nice. So that was the end of day one, and we'll get some more video as we go on. Bike did good, really no complaints. It rode well. Love the Freedom windshield. You can see it's helped deflect a lot of bugs, so it's done well too. So anyways, we'll pick this back up tomorrow.